Here is a tool that I think everybody should own. Everybody. Because so many things you buy nowadays are made of plastic and the plastic breaks. And this tool will repair those plastic parts that break. This is a, however you pronounce this, join jip plastic welding kit, 80 watt. It's basically like a soldering iron, 80 watt soldering iron, but this comes with special tips, and it also comes with some steel mesh and some other parts you need to repair plastic pieces. If you take a look inside, it's got instructions. Here's the soldering iron. This steel mesh has been invaluable for repairing parts. It also, I think it came with these jagged steel pieces that you could embed in the plastic to help hold things together, but I've misplaced them. It also comes with these plastic rods to help add plastic to pieces that need it. Comes with some sandpaper, a brush, and it comes with an extra tip. But yeah, this thing has been invaluable, and it will pay for itself probably with the first repair you do. So this is around 30 bucks. I'll put a link in the description for it, but let's take a look at some of the things I've repaired. This is a trunk case I use to carry stuff on the motorcycle, and last winter it was really cold. It was like around 20 degrees, and I overfilled this, and I forced the lid down to close it, and this plastic part, I'll show you, that holds this lid down broke. And I thought for sure I'd need to buy another case, but I was surprisingly able to repair this, and it has not. I think the joint is now stronger than it was before I made the repair. But let me take this off and I will show you the repair. So here's the piece after taking it off of the case. You can see how this part notches into the top case and holds it in place. I can't remember the break. I think it was here, or it could have been up here. But at the time, I wasn't convinced that this welder would hold it together, would work. You know, make a long-lasting repair. But I took on the back here. I put that metal mesh here, cut out a piece, put it over here over the seam, and I took the welder and I just held the hot iron over the mesh, and it just sinks into the plastic and it disappears. And then I took some of this I guess you can call it welding rod, these extra plastic pieces, and I put it over here to add some plastic to it. And then on the other side, because I wasn't convinced that this would be a long-lasting repair, I took some epoxy, JB Weld, and I used the epoxy to adhere this metal piece to the back here over the seam. And this has held up great. It's been a year now almost, and because I was able to do this, I didn't have to buy spend another $70 or $80 for a new case. So it's already paid for itself with this one repair. Another item I repaired is this key thing. Sometimes I carry a lot of keys, and I'll use this. I'll put my belt through this, and I attach my keys here, and I'm able to hide this in my pocket with the keys, and then I'm able to pull the keys out real easy with this thing. And what happened is this plastic, they used plastic piece here to hold this part on, and it just broke in half, and I was able to find the two pieces, and I put it back together, and I was able to use that hot iron, the welder, to weld the two pieces together, and then I put a piece of that plastic or that metal mesh, that steel mesh, over it, and I was able to push that mesh into the plastic piece to hold these two pieces together. The only problem I have with some of these repairs is it's hard to make it look nice, but I really don't care because it's hidden, and I don't think it really matters what it looks like. And I was able to repair this thing. So this was like, I think, 12 bucks. So it saved me having to buy another one of these. So Now I'll try and find something to repair to actually illustrate how this thing works, so I'll be back. So here's a cup holder I use on the motorcycle, which I don't really use anymore because I started making my own coffee, but it's just broken. Let's see if we can repair this. So I'm just gonna try and get the original position. It's about right there. See if we can melt the seam together on the surface. Get it to hold itself together, and cut this wire mesh. Let's work this mesh into the plastic. Try not to breathe the smoke. And then, just for the fun of it, let's add some plastic to it. I got it too hot. And let's let that dry. Or not dry, cool down. Let me add some plastic to this bottom area. And let that cool down. And let it cool down, and I'll come back with the camera. So this side is cooled off enough. I'm going to repeat the step that I just did on the back side here. If you can see that. Can you see that? I guess you can. Just going over the seam. Maybe I don't need to do anything else, but going to add that mesh to the back side. And then I'm going to let this cool down, and that should be enough. So this is cooled off enough. This is repaired, but I can see some of the plastic still, or some of the mesh still sticking up here. But anyway, that is repaired. Oh, there's still some mesh sticking up here too. Anyway, that's basically all I do to repair this stuff. I don't even think I read the directions. I just watched a video. I know there's different plastics, but I never worried about it. I just start melting the stuff and add the plastic if I think I should. Two things I don't like is it's hard to make it look good, but I guess I really don't dislike it that much because as long as it functions, that's the most important part. You want to do it outdoors or with ventilation, because the smoke and stuff can't be good for you. But anyway, that is this tool right here. I'll put a link to it in the description below. And like I said before, I think everyone should own one, and it will pay for itself in a couple of repairs. So thanks for watching.